Hey, what's up, guys? I'm gonna be testing out the new gold cat I got yesterday. I think it was yesterday. I don't really remember. My memory sucks. This is my first video that I actually put voice in, cause I didn't know how to do it before. So yeah. Enjoy, I guess. I don't know. I'm just gonna do this in the room because, like, why not? Oh, frick. This kid wants to go. This kid wants to get it. You stupid little laser. Sucker. Oh yeah, the storm's coming. I think it takes too long. Ooh, turtle FAMAS. Let's get it. How about you? But I love FAMASes. They're automatic headshot, in my opinion. Ah! Storm. Excuse me. It's so disgusting now that I just realized that. Coronavirus. I'm gonna high five the storm. If I can find my high five MO. There. The storm's mean. He's not high fiving me back. Holland. Not to run. Wait, no, that's Billy Bounce. I don't want to do Billy Bounce. Where's my Naruto run? There. Wait, did he go? Yeah. Yay, medkit. We love medkits. Here, I want to shoot this soccer ball. 1,000,000 inches. Ready? Content! This is beautiful content right there. Also, I had this really nice guy. He's commented in 2 of my videos. I'm so happy. I don't remember his name, but if you go into the comment section in one of my videos, you'll see him. So shout out to him. He said keep up the good content. Thank you, whoever said that. My content sucks. So, thank you, whoever said that. Okay. Well, I don't know why I'm still looting. I got basically the best gun. I'm just looking for an SMG. Like a pistol, what I'll do. Oh no. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you I'm playing duos, but I just muted out my friend so I couldn't hear it. I don't know. I don't know why. I don't know. No, I didn't mute him. Wait, what am I saying? I just couldn't, like, you know. I don't know how to get him in here because, like, I started YouTube, like, I think 2-3 weeks ago. I don't know. Oh my god, he's super far away. Yeah, I think I can get him. Hopefully. Copyright. I don't understand what copyright is. I don't even know. I just hear a lot of other YouTubers say I have no idea what it means. It's taking forever. You know what? I'm bored. You know how people like do that weird pickaxe thingy? I'm just gonna do this. That pickaxe would go why they press Y, and it goes like back and forth, back and forth. I'm gonna switch my materials. Yeah. So hopefully I stopped because I think there's probably enemies here. Ooh, I'm going sweat. I'm going sweat. I'm going sweat. You freaking coned me. You wanna go? Jeez, freaking jump scare. Holy crap. Jeez. Where do you come from? You Spider-Man. What? I pay attention to the other guy, but like I don't care and I don't have to. Oh crap, I got my friends. Oh! Get absolutely destroyed. You guys are probably like saying like, boy, you suck. What do you mean? Then you're gonna sing, take the AK. Take the AK. I'm sorry, but I hate the KK. I hate it so much. I mean, if I have like a green AR and there's a blue AK, of course I'll take the AK, but if there's like a legendary AK over a legendary Scar, I'll take the legendary Scar. I know that's a mythic, it's Meowsicles, but still. No, I don't even see the difference between a legendary and a normal AK. I don't even see the difference. Maybe it's because I don't use it at all. Oh, and if you don't know where Meowsicles is, he's at the box factory. Right like above Lazy Lake, I think. It's like somewhere near Lazy Lake, but it's like really high. I'm not gonna take the chopper because I feel like I'm gonna get lasered down with it and I'm gonna blow up. So, yeah. We've all been there. Unless your mom or dad took away your Xbox or PS4 or controller or Nintendo Switch. So boring. Should I bush camp? I'm gonna bush camp. Okay, I'm not bush camping. I would bush camp, but since I'm gonna upload this to YouTube, I'm not going to, because like, I'm a man. I'm a golden man cat. Kind of looks like Midas took a dump on my head. Weird. We should really like when you reach 180, you should really unlock like the full version instead of like doing the same exact thing over again, like doing it. I'm just gonna cancel. I'm watching TV. Why not? Where is it? 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 There it is. How the TV show is so funny. I'm so funny. I'm sweating because whenever I get to this end game, I get so sweaty. I'm like, well, not like the soccer skin sweaty. I mean, like actually sweating. One duo, one solo. Let's go. Ooh, I think it's a solo. Well, there's a duo partner. I'm not gonna take a shot because I feel like. I just realized I had a sniper. I had a clear shot at him before when he's mining a tree. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Oh my god. So dumb. Jeez. God. Dun 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 dun. I'm about to pee my pants so badly. Where's that solo? I want to take him out. Well, I want to like take him on. Where's Vic Roy? Vic Roy! It looks like they're fighting now. Could be my chance to charge, but like I'm scared of that. Oh, they killed him. Oh, yay. 1v2. The moment it's all been coming for. Well, wait, the moment we've all been waiting for. Just gonna wait for him to go still. Just stop moving. Over. They're right there. Oh, frick. I think he sees me. Does he see me? I don't think he sees me. They're blind. I'm sorry, but they're blind. Why'd I do that? Why'd I do that? Stupid rocket launcher! Oh my god! I gotta get out of here. Don't laser me. Don't laser me. I think I lost him. Yeah, definitely lost him. Yeah, I lost him. Okay. What's the game plan, mate? What's the plan? I'm gonna try to make the snipe. Doesn't know where I am. He's looking around. Oh, stand still for me. Thank you very much. Oh, I'm gonna charge. Now's my chance. You little. This game is so dumb. Hope you enjoyed. I'm freaking out for this game.